Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are alright and staying safe at home, right? So today I am again with a new craft. What is that? See? What is this? This is a ladybird. So, do you want to make this type of ladybird? Today we will try it. Let's start. For making the ladybird, I need these things. Two red circle like this. One black piece of circle paper. I didn't have any black paper with me, so I cut it from the newspaper. And this is a small piece of black circle paper. So these two are red circle paper. This is a bit small black circle paper, and this is a bit small. As you can say, this is the smallest piece of black circle paper, and these two small piece of paper for making the eyes. These are the two small white paper for making the eyes. So let's start. And this is a small strip of red color paper. Let's try it. I'll fold this paper and it will look like D. You can see? And in the same way, I will fold this piece of paper. Now I will take the black big circle and I will add some glue. I'm adding some glue on it. And I will stick these red papers. See? Now we will make the head. I'll take the small piece of black paper and add some glue on one end. And stick it. So the thing will look like this. Now I'll take the small strip of paper and I will cut in from the middle. But remember, whenever you are using scissors, you please take help from your parents. I'll cut from one end like this. Now I'll fold the end. I have a pen. Now I'll curl the two this ends, and it will look like this. Now I'll stick it. Add some glue here and now I'll stick the eyes. Stick the eyes on the head. So let me stick it. Now I have a black pen and I will make some black dots on it. First I will draw the eyes and slowly I'll make some dots on the red portion of the paper. See, the ladybird is ready. So, you can make one leaf like this and you can stick the ladybird on it. See? Do you like this? So you please do it at home. You try it at home and send me the pics. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.